Number 5. Garbage disposal. While all of our disposals are septic friendly, the Evolution Septic Assist garbage disposal adds extra confidence to homes. With septic systems, biocharge and automatic injection of microorganisms helps break down food waste. Quiet but powerful, this innovative food waste disposal features advanced noise-reducing sound seal technology, our exclusive long-lasting 3-4 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor and 2-stage multi-grind technology to handle the toughest food scraps.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.
Number 4. Continuous feed garbage disposal. Continuous feed garbage disposals are designed so that food can be added into the disposal even while it is running. This is the most common type of disposer. It is recommended to run water while the disposal is in operation. Silver Guard. The disposer is protected with Silver Guard, a powerful magnet system that. Number 3. Easy installation, professional 3-bolt mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation. 20-year protection, number electrical expertise needed, pre-install power cord, no electrical work required. Durability, compact, lightweight, garbage disposer, all stainless steel grind components. Helps to catch cutlery and metal objects before they enter the disposer.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.
Number 2. Permanent magnet motor. The garbage disposal features a 3-4 horsepower, 2700 RPMs permanent magnet motor, anti-jam stainless steel impellers, and operates on 120V 60 Hz power. The power cord comes attached and is about 3 feet long. Silver Guard. The sink garbage disposal is protected with Silver Guard, a powerful magnet system that helps to catch cutlery, metal objects before they enter the disposer. Number 1. Quiet but powerful. This innovative food waste disposal is the quietest disposal on the market, featuring advanced noise-reducing insulated sound seal technology and our exclusive long-lasting 1 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor. Durable components for the toughest food scraps. This garbage disposal features alloy stainless steel components, are leak guard liner for the highest durability, 3-stage multi-grind technology, jam assist to handle toughest food scraps.